Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. Good evening, everybody. Oh, there you go. Good evening, everyone. Happy Monday. I'm filling in for Bill today, but we do have a lot to talk about. Severe weather expected tomorrow night, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and we are looking at level 3 out of 5 risk in the western portions of the hill country. 1 out of 5 risk here in San Antonio, but let's go start off with a live look outside. It was a very foggy, cloudy day, and I just want to show you how warm we're going to be overnight. So this is how we should be as far as highs this time of year. We should be at 72 for our highs. We are going to be at 72 degrees from 11 p.m. till 7 a.m. So that's just really warm for this time of the year. We registered 77 today. That was our high, and our low is going to be 72 tonight. So we're not cooling down by much. Temperatures across the metro, we still have some upper 70s in Cotulla and some 60s in the hill country. But we are looking at a weather impact alert in effect for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So severe storms are expected, and hail possibly up to 2 inches in diameter. And just to give you an idea, that's about the size of an egg. That we could see hail the size of an egg in some areas. All right, so first you're going to feel the winds tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon, starting at 2 p.m. Pretty windy and gusty, and it's going to stay windy and gusty until midnight, until Wednesday morning. And then here's a look at that severe weather outlook. So the Storm Prediction Center upgraded to a level 3 out of 5 in southern Edwards Plateau and western portions of the hill country. So that means, again, 2-inch size hail, winds up to 75 miles per hour. That is damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes are very much possible as well. So the level 3 zone areas have a 5% chance of seeing a tornado. So I know that doesn't sound like a lot, like 5% doesn't sound like a lot, but that's a 1 out of 20 chance in seeing a tornado. So we want to take that seriously, right? We want to keep the weather alerts on our phone. And as far as the eastern portions of the hill country, 2 out of 5 risk, and then San Antonio, Austin, we're in that 1 out of 5 risk. So that just means heavy rainfall, still going to be seeing some pretty strong winds, but the level 3 zone cities include Del Rio, Rock Springs, Brackettville, Eagle Pass, Campwood, Uvalde, and Utopia. So you guys want to pay extra close attention tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. And here's a look at your flooding outlook. So the timing of the storms from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. is when we're expecting it to reach those western counties. Again, the hill country. 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. is when we're expecting it to make its way into San Antonio and I-35. And for Wednesday morning, we could see some localized isolated flooding. So, you know, your morning commute on Wednesday might be an issue because of the flooding. And I am going to show you 2 models. So this is the Future Cache HRRR model. So you'll notice this is 8 p.m. on Tuesday. Starts to see some severe storms out west. This is at 1 a.m. Seeing some activity in Fredericksburg, Rock Springs, Kerrville, Del Rio, and some in Hallettsville as well, George West. And then I would say closer to 4 or 5 a.m. is when it makes its way into San Antonio. These models have been changing a lot, by the way, but we just know, I would say from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., just expect storms. And then we fast forward to 7 a.m., still tracking some activity near Boerne, San Antonio, San Marcos, Austin, New Braunfels. And by 2 p.m., it's in those eastern counties. So I would say after the afternoon tomorrow, like noon Wednesday, is when we're completely going to clear out. I don't think it's going to last until 2 p.m. It might, but I don't think it'll be that late. This is what the graph model is picking up. This is at 8 p.m. Tuesday night, Rock Springs, Fredericksburg, Kerrville. This is at 1 a.m. Still in Kerrville, Boerne, Hondo. Fast forward to 10 a.m. Wednesday in those eastern counties. So they are pretty different. You'll notice that the HRRR model is expecting a lot more heavy rain. but we just want to be ready, right? So this is what it looks on our radar right now. We could see some scattered showers tonight, nothing severe, just a little bit of rain. And so this is what it looks like Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So I do think San Antonio will get storms pretty late at night, but it could be as early as 6 p.m. Rainfall potential, this is picking up 2 inches of rain by Hondo, 1.2 in Del Rio, 1.3 in Uvalde. All right, so rain chances after Wednesday afternoon, after 2 p.m. on Wednesday, no more rain. It's going to dry out. It's going to be really nice and sunny. It is spring break. It's going to feel like spring break by the weekend, but we just got to get through these next 2 rainy days. This is a look at your drought monitor. So this doesn't get updated until Thursday. So on Thursday, we'll see how much of that rain helped us in the drought, but hopefully it gets rid of that exceptional category at least. All right, and here's a look at your 14-day forecast. So 82 is your high tomorrow for Tuesday. Will be cooler on Wednesday with a high of 73. And then again, nice and sunny by Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it'll be a lot nicer through the weekend. And we might even see some 60s next Monday. But again, main concern will be Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Make sure to bring inside anything in your porch that could fly away. You want to pin down those empty trash bins. If you live in the level 3 zone cities, I would suggest putting on your weather alerts, and then we'll also have team coverage here. So just, stay updated. Sorry, I'm reading some comments. Hi, Sonia. So Del Rio is in the level 3 zone city. Let me put that graphic up again. So yeah, Del Rio all the way to like Fort Worth is when we're expecting that really severe weather. Once again, western counties, you'll see the worst of the storms, and this is going to be pretty late at night. So just want to keep the alerts on. But I do have to get ready for the show now. It's already like 9:50. But thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to do the 10 o'clock, and I'll be here tomorrow for Bill as well. And David is going to be here for team coverage. So thank you for tuning in, and stay safe, stay dry.